When it comes to mowing large areas, bigger is better. Designed to deliver maximum results. Introducing the X-WAM S5 ZR. Get more done with one operator and one tractor. The new X-WAM is now 38 feet wide, 4 feet wider than the previous model, increasing productivity by 11%, saving you time and money. The new X-WAM ZR glides across grass using front and rear castors, making it excellent for use on delicate grasses and regular maintenance mowing applications. Castors are offset to minimize grass compaction. The inclusion of maintenance-free caster wheels and our maintenance-free spindles means the X-WAM S5 has 0 daily maintenance requirements. The X-WAM has a purpose-built, fully integrated chassis which has increased durability by 50% compared to the previous model, ensuring reliability in demanding environments. The front and rear castors enable a wide height of cut range of 3/4 of an inch to 7.5 inches, making it suitable for use across a variety of grass lengths. QuikLIFT is now a standard feature on all X-WAM S5 models, allowing you to quickly lift all decks off the turf, reducing headland damage when turning. With a variable cutting width between 23.9 feet and 38 feet, you can adjust your mow widths quickly when required. The X-WAM S5 ZR offers compact transportation for safe and easy relocation from farm to farm. Stand-on covers, a hydraulic parking jack, and electric unlocks simplify operation. The X-WAM S5 ZR deck design follows in the footsteps of our Pegasus series. Fitted with an automatic belt tensioning system and a deep mowing deck design supported by a range of blade options, cut performance is optimized. The X-WAM Series 5, the king of wide area mowing. Also available in roller configuration. Get in touch today.